Hi everybody, this is Alex Vidikov, and in this video I will share with you how I converted my DSLR matte box into good teleprompter. Yeah, I found myself that I may need to use teleprompter, but I haven't had one, and I didn't want to buy one because I'm not using it often, and to have just one more thing hanging, I mean, you have to store it somewhere, and again, and spend money for that too. So I looked at my mat box, which was just laying around most of the time, and I thought it's looking very similar to a teleprompter, and the only thing which is missing, it's a reflector glass, and I wanted to try to convert it, just to add the glass and see what's gonna happen. So I went to Walmart and bought picture frames for, I believe this one was for $1.83. Yeah, so I took glass from that because it's the same size as the bottom here on the mat box, and I put it here, and then I used the rails to put on the rails my tablet, and voila, there is a teleconverter. No need to spend money, no need to buy a new thing, and no need to allocate special place for this thing where you can store it. I think it's just perfect solution when you don't need that fancy stuff, and honestly, the teleconverters I've seen, the cheap ones, they don't look much better than this one. So anyway, the bottom of mat box looked very good for supporting glass, and when I measured it, it's almost 6 inches, which is perfect because the standard size of picture frames 6x8. I went to Walmart and found these 6x8 frames with good looking glass, and price was great, $1.87, so I bought 3. Then I took glass out of the frame. I put electric tape around the perimeter of the glass just to make it more safe, and I was happy to see that glass is working perfectly here. That's what I needed. I got a piece of rope and secured one end of this rope with thumb screw of the top flag. I wrapped it around top of the glass and secured another end with the second thumb screw. Then I placed tablet on the rails, and prompter is working now. The only thing missing, we need to get rid of unwanted reflections, and it could be easily done by wrapping around the mat box some piece of dark fabric, and that's it. The teleprompter is visible with nice contrast, so you can read it easy. Looks like perfect teleprompter to me. And what I like about this prompter is how easy it could be converted back to mat box. Just take off this piece of glass and that's it. Now I can use it as a mat box, and all I need to worry about now is just to store this piece of glass somewhere in a safe place. Not much space needed. So this is it. As you see, it's a pretty good teleprompter. Thank you for watching this video. Give me a thumb up or down if you think it's not good. Write your comment, and subscribe for more common videos. I'll see you in next videos. Bye bye now.